Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. This is Laura. I am doing my budget plan with me today, which is out of order from normal. My Erin Condren plan with me will be tomorrow, but I wanted to do this one today because I'm using a kit from Lily and Meeko Designs, and if you're watching this on Sunday, the 22nd, yes, Sunday the 22nd, then today is the last day of the Epic Planner sale, and Lily and Meeko is having 40% off. I know, right? 40% off. So you can't use my code Tiger20 for an additional 20% off. Like, it doesn't work like that. But you can definitely still get 20% off if you're watching this afterwards with the code Tiger20. Otherwise, go shop her sale for 40% off. And there is a code. I will write it on the screen here because I don't remember, and I'll link it down below. But yes, go shop her sale. So I'm using this kit from Lily and Meeko. Like I said, it's called Cindy. It's a Cinderella kit, and I bought the Premium Matte Deluxe. Her paper is so beautiful, and I'm planning for the week of April 23rd. So in this kit, you get glitter headers. There are flags up in this area. Deco, icons, habit tracker, sidebar things, weekend banner, and check flags. These are the full boxes, and this is her older style kit. She does have an updated format, but it's fairly similar. The glitter headers are just not separate. So like I said, full boxes, and they say, this one says, Cinderella is proof that a new pair of shoes can change your life, and this double box says, even miracles take a little time. So pretty. The bottom washi is gorgeous. You get washi strips, plan next week, Lily and Meeko new releases, and payday. And then you have the boxes page, the check boxes, headers, 3 heart checklists, and date covers. Solid washi and little things. And then we're back to the beginning. So let me find that washi sheet again. So yeah, did you guys pick anything up from the Epic sale? Do you know what these Epic sales are? They're like planner extravaganzas. Like a whole bunch of shops, I think like 100 shops or something, all use the same coupon code for a weekend. And there's a Facebook group, if I remember, I'll link that down below also. And like, if you're looking for a particular item, you can post on the Facebook group and say, which shops have blah, blah, blah. And all the shops that are participating in that sale can answer, but not like any other shop. You can't link any other shops, that kind of thing. So it kind of promotes a certain set of shops, which I think is really cool because you get to find out about a lot of new shops that way. So like I said, if you haven't shopped with Lily and Meeko, or even if you have and you just haven't been paying attention, come on now, get it together. Okay, so I need to figure out what's going in my sidebar, probably this one. So then I would have kind of 2 gray, 2 pink, 2 blue, and then maybe another, or maybe I can do like the light, I don't know. What do I have? I have light pink and darker pink. Maybe I'll do 2 gray for the weekend. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I think I'm going to put these down first and then go from there. So I think I'm going to put one. I think I'm going to put this with the Cinderella box and put this on the weekend. I mean, not on the weekend, on Thursday. So I think I'm going to put this at the bottom. And then maybe the light pink. The gray. then the darker pink. So pretty. I love feeling this paper. That's just like the best. Okay, then, so like I said, I think I'm going to put this one on Thursday. Yes, maybe I'll zoom in just a smidge. And then we have a darker pink on Sunday, but I think I'm going to use the double box on the weekends. I'm just not really going to worry about the colors because they kind of have all of the colors anyways. Okay, and then we need a light pink, so I think I'll do this one. Okay, yeah, that works. So then light pink, gray, peach, I guess. Oh, why is my washi so different? This one like covered the lines, I think. I don't know if I put them on differently. Yeah, that's like way off. I must have lined it up differently because I'm confused. Okay. And then the peach. And then I have a blue if I want for the sidebar. So then for over here, I think I'll do this one for the gray because it kind of has the most gray on it. And then this one for the light peach. And this one for the darker. And then I have this one for the sidebar. I need whiteout. Okay, so I think I'm done with like the basics. So I have this kind of space in here for personalizing each day. I mean, I can lay over some of the full boxes too, but not yet. Okay, so first I have a meeting on Monday after work. So I need a box of some sort, or a flag or something. And we're on the dark peachy color. So I think I might just do this one. And then I'm going to leave the rest of the space open because I don't know a lot of what's going on this week. So I'm going to have a lot of white space in this section until later in the week when I figure out what's happening, because I just don't seem to have a lot of plans at the moment. But who knows what's going to happen. And then I have Plan With Me's these days. I really don't have anything else planned for those that I can think of. 23rd, 24th. No, I don't think so. Okay. Thursday, nothing. I don't even know if I have a video that day. Friday, I need to be planning. I forget if there's a planner or not. No. Oh, I need to put a weekend banner in. I'm going to put it on the washi just in case I do have things come up. Because, like I said, I just don't know. That's why I fast forwarded a lot of this, because I don't know what's happening. Then let's see. Saturday, Sunday. One of these days I have a bill due. It doesn't really matter which day I put it on. I'm going to put it here because it matches. This is my Sprint and Amazon Prime bill. They're all in one. Oh my gosh. I think that's literally it, you guys. That's so boring. I'm very sorry. Oh, we have Lily and Meeko new releases, which... Oh, and the plan next week. Perfect. Okay, so Friday, like I said, is plan next week. I wonder if I should put it down here. I think I will. You can't see it, but I'll show you in a second. Okay, so I layered it over the checklist. And then Lily and Meeko new releases seem to be on Fridays. I don't know if she'll have new releases this Friday or not because of the Epic Planner sale. She might be a little busy filling orders. But I'll put it there just because I have the sticker. It's not payday because I think we still have one more day of April. Yeah, not payday yet. So I think I'm just going to show you what I have left, and then I will open up my planner spread and show you. So I have payday and the washi, 3 heart checklists, and some headers. I don't know if you noticed, I did single headers here, and then I did glitter and the regular header at the top and down here at the bottom, just because I knew I wasn't going to need probably all of this space, so I just added in glitter and regular headers. I have tons of boxes left. I have glitter headers in every color left, solid washi, and more little things because, like I said, I'm not sure what else I need. Oh, I think I have a package coming on Monday from a friend. She sent me some essential oil, something or other, to help me breathe, apparently. I don't know. I'm not into all that, but I figured what's it gonna hurt. And then I have deco and icons and all this stuff. And I have flags up here too, I forget. So do I want to put any deco in yet? I think I want to put something here. And just because there's so much blue right here that I feel like I should break it up with something. But what am I gonna break it up with? You can put a pumpkin here, cover that yellow. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. This little like crown and wand. Oh my gosh, that's too adorable. Love it. Okay, that's going in there. I have the horses. I have horses on that side already, so maybe I'll put them on the bottom washi. I can get them off. This paper is like thin, So you gotta like be able to grab it. Because it's sometimes tricky. So I think I'll just stick them over the washi like this. Very intricate cut lines on those little legs. There we go. Some little horses there. I definitely have like a little bit of these smaller deco pieces. I think I'll put one up here by the April. I need date numbers also, but I'll find those at some other point. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to open up now, and it probably doesn't look too much different than before, but what are you going to do? I just don't have a ton of plans. I hope it's like lit well enough that you guys can see the colors. I think it's stunning, but I always love my Lily and Meeko kits, obviously. So again, if you guys like this and you want to buy your own Lily and Meeko, use the code TIGER20 for 20% off your order. Or like I said, if you're watching this on the 22nd, then 40% off of her shop currently, and that ends tonight. So definitely go, go. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my normal errand hunter and plan with me tomorrow. I know these are out of order, but that's okay. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.